Hey, what's up? My name is Min, and I'm the Customer Success and Operations Lead here at Traceless. This is our video tutorial for our standalone application. So with that, let's just jump right into it. So whether you're on our sales site, which is traceless.com, or trying to access from our sister site, which is traceless.io, you will first need to sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one for free. From there, you'll be taken to this dashboard and you will select Send a Trace at the top. Okay, now that we're here where you can send off traces, we'll start with how you can send data. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the Send Data toggle switch, and if the icon is blue, like so, it means you will be sending text-based information. And if you click the toggle switch, it will change to green and read Send File, where you can drag and drop or click to upload files from your computer to send securely. In the upper right-hand corner, there are two buttons. The refresh button can be hit at any time to clear your current trace and to restart the process quickly. The help button will take you directly to our help center where you can find all of our currently existing knowledge-based articles. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll stick to text-based data. You have the option to make your own password that the recipient will be required to type in upon trace retrieval. You can set the trace's time to live or expiration date with this drop-down menu. We have a couple of options there. And then you'll be prompted to input either the recipient's email or phone number. All of these fields currently read optional, simply because we want our users to have autonomy with their sender input. But one of these fields is required in order for a trace to be created and sent, so it has some sort of destination. With that being said, if you input both the recipient's email and their phone number, an MFA challenge with a 6-digit code will automatically be sent to the user's phone number to confirm their identity. So they'll be receiving the trace to their email and the MFA authentication code on their phone number. And then if you would like, you can fill in the sender information and any additional notes you would like to add. The process for requesting data is similar. For our standalone application, it's slightly different than if you're using Traceless from within one of our many integrations that you may be used to, but essentially you toggle either data or file base. However, you leave the text box empty instead, because this is where your client or teammate will input sensitive data later. Then you can fill out desired password if applicable, expiration date, the recipient email or phone number. For example, if you're the one who is requesting data, you can put your email or phone number into the recipient's columns. And remember that if you fill out both the email and phone number, you will be prompted with an MFA challenge upon retrieving the data. From there, you'll copy and paste the URL in your browser to whoever you're requesting the data from. Once they retrieve it, the recipient will simply fill out the trace, any sensitive data, and hit create, which will send that secure data back to you wrapped in a secure trace. Basically, you're pre-filling out the trace criteria and information, sending the URL to your client or coworker. They input the sensitive data and send it back to you. A couple things to keep in mind: your trace will be inaccessible if the recipient fails to input the password or complete the MFA challenge. If this is the case, the trace will be destroyed once the expiration date occurs. Your trace will also be destroyed upon page renewal or opening the link more than once. So there's a quick rundown of our standalone app. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at hello@traceless.io if you have any further questions.